Hello students, in the previous videos we were discussing the chapter 12 and we have finished first exercise, second and third. Today we'll discuss exercise 4, 5 and 6. Exercise 4, pick out the objects. There are two types of objects, that is direct and indirect. So from these sentences you are supposed to pick out direct and indirect object. For that, first you need to understand what is direct object and what is indirect object. Let's see that. So objects we have two types. First one is direct and the second one is indirect object. Direct object or the name of something. Indirect object or the name of a person or a pronoun. So from this we need to understand direct objects are the things like non-living things, table, chair, pencil, pen, book, all these are called direct object. Indirect objects are the living things like name of person, it can be anyone, him, her, we can use the pronouns also, name of a person or a pronoun. So here you see the teacher gave us some sweets. The teacher gave us objects. What are objects? The action is passing to somebody, then that is the object. In the last class we discussed, if the action is passing to somebody else or to something, then that particular thing or that particular person or pronoun are the objects. Now we have two types of objects. One is direct and one is indirect. Direct means non-living thing, indirect living things. The teacher gave us. Us, see, the action is passing to us, so it is an object. Us is a pronoun, that means it is a living thing, so us is indirect object. See here, sweets, it's a non-living thing, so it is the direct object. Rajiv showed me a nest. Showed is the action happening here, it is passing to me, and nest. So me, it is a pronoun used instead of a noun. Noun are the name of person, isn't it, living things, animals, whatever. So it is indirect object and nest is direct object. Now let's see the exercise. Let's do the exercise. You need to do the exercise along with me. Ramesh gave us a party. Gave is the action and the action is passing to us, and party. Us is living thing, so it is indirect object. ID. You can write ID like this, okay? Party is direct object. Now my grandmother called us. My grandmother called, action, us, object. So here we have only indirect object, we do not have direct. The teacher promised me pass marks. Promised me, indirect object, pass marks, direct object. Please show me your book. So me is the indirect object, book is the direct object. He had no money with him. He had no money. Money, indirect object, him, direct object. Call me when you are free. You is the indirect object, free is the direct object. The doctor washed his wounds. Washed is the action, his is the indirect, wounds, direct. They have nothing to say. They have nothing to say. Nothing, direct object. A dog chased my brother. A dog chased my brother. So that is the indirect object. The father gave us his old cycle. Direct object. Cycle is direct and us is indirect. Now we have finished exercise 4. Now we have to do exercise 5. Here we need to pick out subjective or objective complement. So we need to understand this first of all. Here in your book, see the portion complement. Subjective complement. If a complement describes the subject, it is called the subjective complement. If the sentence is describing the subject, then it is the subjective complement. It usually comes after an intransitive verb. In the previous video, I told you what is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb doesn't have object. Yes, intransitive verb doesn't have object. So here you see subjective complement usually comes after an intransitive verb. So you have to remember this. Wherever you find intransitive verb, that means that is subjective complement. Now objective complement, you see, if a complement comes after a transitive verb means which has an object. So that is objective complement. Now let's see the exercise. It will be more clear. These mangoes are sweet. So these mangoes are sweet. What is the verb here? Are. Of course, because we do not have any other verb, so it is the are is the main verb. Are sweet. Sweet. What is that? It's an adjective, right? So it is subjective complement. There is no object here. So it is subjective complement. They told us the truth. They told us the truth. Here we have objects, right? So it is objective complement. The people made Caesar their king. This is also objective. Wherever we have object, then that is objective complement. Minnie seems very upset. Seems very upset. Upset is an adjective. It is not object. So it is subjective complement. Now next one. His father is an engineer. Is an engineer. Yeah. It is object. So it is objective. Now next. The king's horse went mad. Mad is an adjective. So it is. There is no verb object here. So it is subjective. Next one. Her saree is dirty. Is dirty. So it is subjective. Dirty is not verb. It is an adjective. The old man looked happy. The old man looked happy. It is also subjective. See, don't be confused. Wherever we have object, it is objective, and wherever we have only subject, there is no object, then it is subjective. We consider the plan a good one. We consider the plan. The plan. See, consider is the verb here. The plan object we have. So it is objective. They thought her a genius. They thought her a genius. Thought is the verb. Her is the object. So it is objective. Okay. Did you understand? If the verb is having an object, then that is objective. Okay. If it doesn't have an object, then it is subjective. The next exercise 6. You have to write the first form, second form and third form. Like number 1, begin. What you have to write? Begin, began, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. Run, ran, run. Sing, sang, sung. So this is the, we have to write 6 are there. The answers are here itself. You need to find out from here and complete it in your notebook. Exercise 6, you need to complete in your notebook by yourself. It is very easy. You have to find out from here and write in your notebook. Chapter 12. So with this video we finish chapter 12 explanation and the exercises. Now we'll begin a new lesson in the next video.